It's Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Let's make an okra or Bhindi Varuval with coconut, with lentils, special ingredient from me. That makes it so good. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen. This beautiful recipe serves 3 guests. I'm using 400 grams of bhindi cut into dices like this. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of chili powder. Give a quick mix. If you mix like this, it will be easy for you. Onto a pan, 6 tablespoons of oil. Add the bhindi to the hot oil. Give a quick mix. Cook the spices. If you need, remove from the heat and cook the spices. If you keep too much time on the heat, the spices will be burnt. When the spices are cooked, add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Stir it well. Add 1 piece of sliced onions. Give a quick mix. Now we have to add the special ingredient, that is soya sauce, 1/3 cup. Let the onion caramelized by soya sauce so all the flavors will be infused. Turn off the heat. Add just enough salt. Let's make the varuval. 2 tablespoons of gram dal, 6 pieces of red chilies, 1 cup of grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Stir continuously. Light golden in color. Transfer to a blender and blend into rough powder. Add the mix to the sauteed okra. Combine well. Turn off the heat. The bhindi varuval we just made, it's ready. Super, very good. The soya sauce make this dish into the next level. A beautiful combination of flavors. When the soya sauce caramelized the onions and the coconut, oh wow, it's a wow factor is there. So when you enjoy and eat, don't miss out. To give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.